Hey there, drone enthusiasts, ready to take off on a journey above one of the most breathtaking countries in Eastern Europe? Buckle up because today we're soaring over Ukraine's most stunning landmarks. First up, we're gliding over the majestic Carpathian Mountains. These rolling peaks covered in lush greenery are a drone pilot's dream. Imagine capturing the morning mist rising above the hills. It's like flying through a real-life painting, absolutely mesmerizing. Next, let's fly over to Lviv, often called the cultural capital of Ukraine. The city's charming old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From above, the cobblestone streets and intricate architecture look like a miniature model. The aerial views of Lviv's historic buildings and bustling squares will leave you in awe. Now, adjusting our altitude, we head to the iconic Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra. This monastery complex, with its golden domes gleaming in the sunlight, is a sight to behold. Imagine capturing the grandeur of this centuries-old site from the sky. The blend of history and beauty is simply unparalleled. Our next destination is the serene shores of the Black Sea. The beaches and coastal cliffs of Crimea offer a stunning contrast to the architectural wonders we've seen so far. Flying over these azure waters gives you a sense of tranquility and timeless beauty, perfect for those peaceful sunset shots. Hold on tight because now we're zooming over to the awe-inspiring Kamianets-Podilsky Castle. This medieval fortress, perched on a rocky island surrounded by a winding river, looks straight out of a fairy tale. From above, the castle's rugged towers and defensive walls create an impressive silhouette against the landscape. And finally, let's not forget the surreal landscapes of the Chernobyl exclusion zone. While it's a place of tragedy, it's also a testament to nature's resilience. Drones offer a unique way to safely explore the haunting beauty of this abandoned area. The juxtaposition of decay and rebirth is truly captivating. There you have it, folks, a breathtaking drone tour of Ukraine's most beautiful landmarks. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just starting out, these sites offer endless inspiration for your next flight. So pack your drone, get your batteries charged, and set off on your own aerial adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic drone tours. Happy flying!